Hey, yeah, I gotta watch this. How is he doing this? You know I have to come over here and watch this.
First time I saw it, I said, oh, that sounds counterintuitive there.
Yeah, I know. What's he doing?
But it worked.
This a relative too?
Yeah, my husband of my cousin.
Oh, husband of your cousin.
Are you okay?
I've never seen this. Tell him I never seen this before. I just want to see what he's doing.
That's how he changed his tire.
We put all the tile in our living room.
Oh, he did?
Yeah.
So, is he actually like fixing the tire like it had a hole in it? Oh, okay.
Patch.
So he's patching it. Oh, so the flame that's like a piston and the flame's on the top, heating it up. Oh, okay.
Like this.
Oh, and there's a patch underneath of there.
20 minutes, 15 minutes.
Oh, it takes like,
Everybody here does like 29,000 different things. They can each take each other's place. They can each do each other's work. Yeah, it's true.
huh?
So many people do everybody else's things.
And what's he pouring in there? Is that like
Kerosene
kerosene?
or gasoline? Kerosene?
It's not gasoline.
Kerosene.
Kerosene?
Kerosene. Kerosene. Ang gasolin kay lahat mo tawag to.
Di ba diesel? Mangguro ng
Diesel. Diesel eh, diesel.
Oh, diesel.
Diesel eh.
Okay. Oh, how do you light the diesel with just light? You can light the diesel? The diesel will light?
Lighter?
Oh, lighter.
Lighter.
Okay. I didn't know you could just light diesel.
Maybe you just put a tiny amount
Mm-hmm.
for it to...
And it takes like 20 minutes?
Yeah, 10, 15, 20 minutes.
10, 15, 20 minutes? Okay. Well, wait, one more second.
Yeah, it's okay.
So, what rubber do you put on there? Like what?
It's kind of gum. Like this.
Over mo sa 15.
Let me see. Oh, okay. So you put that over the hole. You put that over the hole.
This top.
Uh-huh.
Plastic. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, and you stick it on there?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, and then you heat it.
Yes.
Okay, and then it seals it up.
This
All right.
there is some photo.
Yeah, right here.
Ready to go.
Yeah, that one was a. Oh, you just did this one. It's hot. Yeah.
So big
Oh,
hole.
yeah. Oh, that was a big hole.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It was on this one, huh? Now, how much does something like this cost? For like a patch? Just
50 pesos.
what's that?
50 pesos.
50 pesos?
Yeah.
Around that, like 50 pesos? Yeah. Wow. Does he take the tire off too? Yeah. Oh wow. Well, thank you. Thank you for showing me. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I'm selling a tire
Uh huh.
and then also if you need a new tire,
Uh huh.
I have in my sister's house if you want your new tire.
Oh, you can get a new tire.
Yeah, and also that what's that name?
That's the tube.
Yeah, a tube also.
You could buy. You could sell the tube.
In case you need a tube, it can't work anymore.
Uh-huh.
It's really bad. You need. Oh, I have it.
You have them. Oh, okay. You got everything.
Yes.
All right.
We have a car wash.
An entrepreneur.
Yeah, a car wash here working and also hair.
You have a car wash?
Yeah.
Wow. Good advertising in case you're ever up in the hood. We got the pool table. We got the bar,
have
store, ice cream,
Also, I have
internet.
internet and also I have a freezer and then put meat like
Oh, okay, meat.
chicken. If
Chicken.
You, if you wanna buy chicken.
Oh, see? It's got everything. And the tire? Oh. Oh, he's cooling it off in the water over there. Almost missed that. Oh, look at that.
Asa na? Sab.
Pwede maabot. Sige. Doing it second time, huh? All right, we got everything here. Let's go This is definitely a one-stop shop for everything you need. She's got everything here. One-stop shop.
Yeah, that's true.
All right, guys. Watkins out.